All right, y'all, Rob Anderson with Clean Power Wash. Just showing you how to take care of fixing a clogged tip. Now, this is literally just going to show you how to remove tips. This is it's not a Whisper Wash Classic, it's just another surface cleaner. So we're going to put the one wrench on here. We want to be careful that we don't torque this bottom. And it's really helpful if you're doing this in the shop. You can take your instead of having an adjustable wrench, using an actual wrench is really helpful when you're doing this. Like a forged wrench or a socket that's actually all the way through. Let's get that on there again. There we go. So, trying to see if you can see through there. There is no light in there. I just tried blowing through this. Nothing came out. I'm going to take our dental pick, push that right there. Still not coming out. Okay, you can see light through there now. So now that clogs out. You want to rinse this with some water, okay? And then we put new Teflon tape on this. You don't want it to go down beyond that lower lip. Take this. Okay. You always want to make sure that we're not cross-threading this. If it's not going in nice and smooth, then you're doing it wrong. Now see this line right here. Okay? That line needs to be perfectly in line. Like right there would be great. If it's not balanced, we're going to run into an issue there. So I can tell that it's getting kind of tight, so I just need to finish with it right in line. That looks pretty good. That's it. And just give you a little bit closer look at that right there. Okay. That's pretty well lined in. You can also, if you're doing this in a shop, you can take a ruler, basically have it go straight across that and see, you know, if I put this right here, you know, does that make a straight line across it? And when you have 4 tips, your 2 tips here will be in line and the 2 tips at the bottom will be in line. That's it.